In this video, we're going to be talking about topic 12.1, part 3. The order is for chlorphorin, 50 milligrams per kilogram a day in 4 equally divided doses. So let's go ahead and see what the daily dose is for the child who weighs 18 kilograms. 50 times 18 is going to be 900 milligrams a day. And we want to split that up into 4 doses. It's going to be 225 milligrams a dose. And then there's a concentration of 500 milligrams in 10 milliliters of sterile water. 225 times 10 divided by 500 is going to be 4.5 milligrams per dose. Sorry, milliliters per dose. We're going to take that 4.5 milliliters and we're going to mix it with another 50 milliliters of D5W. So that gives us a total of 54.5 milliliters. That's going to be infused over 30 minutes, which is 54.5 milliliters over 1/2 hour. Since we want hours in our denominator, 54.5 divided by 0.5 is 109 milliliters per hour. It's option A. Now we have 2.5 milligrams per kilogram, and it's to be given every 12 hours. And so let's go ahead and see what the order would be here for a patient who weighs 26 kilograms. 2.5 times 26 is going to be 65 milligrams a day. Sorry, a dose. It's every 12 hours. Q12H, Q12H. All right. And then going to be giving that in 40 milliliters of D5W over 1 hour via pump. And this says 20 milligrams per milliliter. So that's 65 divided by 20. It's 3.25 milliliters. And this is Q12H. And that 3.25 gets added to the 40 milliliters of D5W, gives me 43.25 milliliters. That's getting infused over a period of 1 hour. And we're going to round down to the nearest milliliter per hour is about 43 milliliters per hour. That's option D. child is to receive 1,000 milliliters D5W at, and what's important here is the flow rate of 80 milliliters per hour. We want to change that flow rate to drops per minute when the drop factor is 15 drops per milliliter. 1 milliliter is 15 drops, and we need 1 hour is 60 minutes. So this is 80 times 15 for my numerator. It's 1200. The denominator is 60, and this is going to be drops per minute. It's going to be 20 drops per minute. That's A. Client is to receive 500 milligrams of Kefsil in 100 milliliters over 60 minutes. So again, the flow rate is what's important here, 100 milliliters in 60 minutes is 100 milliliters per hour. And a milliliter per hour is the same thing as a microdrop per minute. So this is 100 microdrops per minute. That's D. The client is to receive 250 milliliters of D5W at, and then here's the flow rate, 120 milliliters per hour. And we want to change that to 20 with a drop factor of 20 drops per milliliter to a flow rate in drops per minute. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Hours cancel. Milliliters cancel. 60 goes into 122 times, and I get 40 drops per minute, which is option B. And that's it for part 3. We'll come back next time and talk about part 4. See you for the next video.